In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a hanging indent in Google Slides specifically for MLA citation. This is a really handy skill, especially for students or anyone working with academic papers and presentations. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Google Slides and navigate to the slide where you want to apply the hanging indent. Begin by selecting the text box or creating a new one if you haven't already. Once you have your text box opened and your MLA citation typed out, we're ready to move on to the formatting. Now, you need to make sure that the ruler is visible in Google Slides. You'll find this option by clicking on View in the top menu and then selecting Show Ruler. The ruler is essential because it's what we'll use to actually set up the hanging indent. When the ruler is showing, it should appear right above your slide. Place your cursor in front of the first line in the text box. You should see in the ruler area a small horizontal line indicating the left indent marker. To create the hanging indent, you're going to need to manipulate these markers. So what you do is click and drag the left indent marker on the ruler to the right, moving it to the position where you'd like the first line of your citation to start. You'll notice as you move it that a vertical guide will appear, which can help you adjust it precisely. After setting the first line indent, move over to the small rectangle above it, which is the first line indent marker. You want to drag that back to the left where your text originally started from. This step is crucial because it ensures only the first line of your citation is indented to that specific point, achieving the correct hanging indent format. Once you've adjusted both markers, you'll notice that the subsequent lines automatically create a hanging indent, lining up correctly for an MLA citation. If you need to adjust spacing, this can be further modified using the line spacing options in the top menu. Now you have an MLA-style hanging indent for your Google Slides presentation. Keep in mind that a well-formatted citation can make your slides look professional and will aid in presenting your information clearly. As a final tip, remember to double-check your citations for accuracy and ensure they reflect the work properly. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to creating a hanging indent in Google Slides for your MLA citations. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps if needed, and practice makes perfect, as with most things. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your presentations.